Yo, what's up everybody? Just making a quick video because I haven't made a video last week because I was getting over a cold and a bad cough and all that. So you know, I just thought I'd make a quick video to let you guys know a little bit about me and why I make videos and, you know, a little background basically. So as you can tell, I'm from Jamaica. I'm really living in London at the minute. I'm a father. I'm just a random laid back chilled out Jamaican dude, you know, typical Jamaican man. Except I don't have like 20 baby mothers. Just have one. Or that's what she thinks. Cough. Yeah, so I'm just one of them random guys. I have the most random luck in the world. I remember when I was younger and we had firework display at Christmas and I wanted to go out. I was about 11, 12. Adults were like, nah, kids have to stay inside and watch from the inside because the fireworks are quite dangerous. So the next day, you know, they sent us out to clean up all the fireworks and rate. So I went out and smart me, you know, see a firework that looked like it never blew up. So I took it up, run inside, get our lighter, went back outside, lit it, not knowing there was gunpowder all over it. Boom. Nearly blew off my fingers. Thought I was deaf. Everything was high pitched ringing in my ear. My fingers were bleeding. Bubbles start come up on my hand. I just panicking, so I run back in the house now, run my hand on the cold water. Got taken to doctors. He told me luckily I didn't lose any fingers because I could have lost at least 4 of them. And yeah, it healed back. So if you can look, you see my fingers kind of shape funny. See all this one here, how it go off like palm tree. Yeah. So they grew back a bit funny, but luckily I still have them, you know. Next time now, we're in school and we're having a little backflip and handstand competition. I did mine successfully, so I'm there showing off and going on like, yeah. And then one of the guys now didn't realize how close I was standing to him. Next thing now, bam, his boot catch me in my chin and lick me, and then I bite down on my tongue while I was talking, so I bit off pieces of my tongue. My mouth was bleeding. I couldn't eat for days. It was terrible, man. I'll show you my tongue if you can see around the outline. This one there. This is missing chunks of tongue. Yeah. But that's me. I'm also, hold on, it gone dark bridging. Oh, I'm going now. Can you see me? Can you see me? Black people don't work in darkness, you know. This will get lost in the back. I'm an aspiring actor. Hopefully one day I'll make it in films. You know? That's my dream. Tunyam or not Tunyam? That's the question. But anyway, feel free to share my video them. Please share my video them, like my videos, comment on my videos, subscribe to me. After all, I'm a nice guy. Yeah. But yeah, please just stay tuned, man. I just like making videos. I haven't done no real serious acting videos on my channel yet, but that's all to come in the new year. 2013 is going to be a good year, you know. I have loads of materials, I have loads of songs written. So yes, my mind just in that creative space right now, and with the help of my girl, she helped me film my videos, you know. Yeah, I'll be making a lot of videos for us still, you know. So yes, man, respect little more. I'm about to do a little challenge, a lemon challenge. I'm going to try eat this, and yeah, I'm going to see how that goes. So respect, take care, little more. Boom. Stay tuned to Rolling Calf TV. Don't know.